My
start.
32 subscriber special.
Welcome to the 10K Q&A and face reveal. Okay, you want to do the first question?
So you put up a community post. Since we are getting close to 10K subs now and have since reached it, it is time for your first Q&A. Comment your questions. All right, your first question from Adler Breeze. Yes!
I love you, Adler. Not in a weird way.
What do you think of your progress on YouTube?
I think I've done pretty good. I mean, it's been a year and a few months now. It's been fun. Had a lot of good experience with editing and stuff, so good progress. Base level answer? What would your answer be? What would your answer be?
Well, back in the year 1970.
Oh my god.
From Air Henry. Oh my goodness, I'm his biggest fan.
Are you?
Yes.
Are you subbed?
I don't even know if I'm subbed.
Are you subbed? Bro, you gotta sub to Air Henry.
Okay, he actually has 3 questions.
Oh, he's 3 questions?
Try hard.
Okay.
Alright, question 1. What got you into aviation with a capital A?
I honestly have no clue. I woke up aviation. Yeah.
What made you start a YouTube channel?
Well, first, so this is 3 years ago when the channel was created, but I wanted to do trick shots and stuff. And then I posted, okay. And then I posted an aviation video, and it did really well, so I just stuck to the aviation from there.
All right, question 3. If you could fly in any plane ever, what plane would you choose?
In a plane, or flying a plane, I would say probably Concorde or 747. And then in a plane, either 787 or A350. You do not know planes. Get out of here. No, get out.
I know planes really well.
No, you don't.
I know
Okay.
There's the Boeing 787. There's the Concorde. There's the.
What plane is that?
There's a plane over there?
Yeah, there's a plane over there.
There's not a plane over there.
Yeah, there is.
No, there isn't.
There's definitely a plane. It's definitely not a bird. What do you mean? What plane is that?
Well, that's not a. Oh, that is.
What do you mean that's not a plane? No, this is unacceptable. This is very unacceptable.
I thought it was a helicopter.
No.
It sounded like a helicopter.
This is not a helicopter.
That is a biplane.
It's not a biplane.
Yes, it is.
That was a Cessna. That was a Cessna. That was a Cessna.
What is a Cessna?
It says. Oh my gosh.
Aviation 2013.
Oh, I love his channel.
Holy goodness, why did he write it like that?
What do you mean?
What? Airline with a capital A. Wood with a capital W. You with a capital Y. Fly for if you were a pilot. And what with a capital W plane would you want to fly from that airline?
Read it normally.
Aviation 2013, my boy. Were you drunk when you wrote that? What airline would you fly for if you were a pilot? And what plane would you want to fly from that airline?
The United 787. That'd be a banger.
Aviation Air 2. Oh,
oh,
this question was edited.
No, I don't care if it was edited. He gave me a super thanks the other day.
No, this question was edited.
No.
What is he hiding?
I don't know. What is he hiding?
Aviation Air 2, what are you hiding? Why'd you edit it? That's not funny.
No, it was
not funny. What's your favorite plane engine?
Engine?
Engine.
It says engine twice?
The emoji that's like this.
A GE90.
Adrian's Aviation _YT.
Oh, I love him too. Good channels here.
Who's your favorite French aviation channel? Question mark.
It's definitely you.
Laughing loudly emoji.
No, it's definitely Adrian's Aviation. Only because he's French.
Not Air Henry?
No, Air Henry's US.
KL Maviation 10. What's your country?
The United States. I don't know if that's
what they all say. Showing your location. Too.
I'm not showing my location. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful.
Why is everybody capitalizing random letters? Air-spotter.
Ooh.
Opinion on giving me a shout out, JK. You should shout.
Subscribe.
Wait, who you should subscribe to
is New Johns. You should subscribe to New Johns.
Daddy New Johns.
This is Big Daddy New Johns, guys.
Serious question though this time. Do you ever think you will do YouTube full time? Or go into the aviation workplace if I
don't think I'm ever gonna do YouTube full time. I think it's just gonna be a cool little side thing. For aviation, I think I was gonna do aerospace engineering if I get into that. Oh, I'm a good pilot. You should watch my flight sims.
KLM avgeek2 _ edits with a Z.
Ooh.
Do you like MDT Airport?
What? Look it up. Look up what it is.
I don't have internet right now. What is MDT Airport? What is that? You should know that.
I don't know that.
What do you think about it?
I don't know that.
Like it?
I don't know what it is.
It's a
Look
yes or
it
no
up.
question.
No, just look it up.
I
Look
can't.
it up.
I can't.
Look it up.
I'm trying to tell you.
No, look it up. Okay, we will come back to that question later.
Why'd you
I
have
promise.
to ask such a hard question? Who is the
100.
best airline in USA and Europe?
The UK count as Europe.
Have you ever looked at a map?
So Europe is either British Airways or Lufthansa, and
Lufthansa?
it's Lufthansa.
It's Lufthansa.
In US, I'm gonna have to go Delta.
Spirit. Love Spirit Airlines. Aviation. How did you get to 10K so fast? When
Ooh.
I subbed to you about 3 months ago, you were at like 2K.
Okay, so I did do a lot of studying about the algorithm. You can just look it up on YouTube, and just kind of posting a lot helps you, and just like, I don't know, reaching out to others like in the aviation community helps.
Have I been doing that?
But-
Am I good at that?
Kind of.
Let's go.
You're mid.
From Big Daddy New Johns.
Bro,
I wonder
no,
who that
no,
is.
I'm not answering your question.
Back in
Stop.
1821, when you were the leader of the classical republic of Kenya, Arabia,
I was. This
you
is true.
said that people made fun of you for this. They called you insane. How has this shaped your career?
They called
and
you
your
insane.
outlook on back in 1821, when you were the leader of the classical republic of Kenya, Arabia, you said that people made fun of you for this. They called you insane. How has this shaped your career and your outlook on life as a whole?
It hasn't. It hasn't changed my outlook on life.
Really?
No. New John's forehead reveal.
No.
Let's go. We're looking up MDT Airport. I'm sorry for not knowing this, guys.
MDT Airport. No, you can just edit it to make it look like you knew. The
Yeah,
Harrisburg
definitely.
International Airport.
Let me see pictures of it. So.
It's the airport in Dauphin County, Pennsylvania.
How am I supposed to know that? Go. I'll
Shocking.
give it.
Yo, I can buy this airport.
You can buy the airport. Yeah. I'm gonna give it a 4.7 out of 5. That just because I haven't been there, but the pictures look really nice.
It was awful. Was 0 out of 5 stars. It's the worst airport I've ever seen.
Well, that's the end to the Q&A. There will be more IRL content and an update coming soon. And subscribe to /9 and
And Big
New
Daddy
John.
New Johns.
No, we're not
Subscribe to me.
No,
Yes.
don't subscribe to him.
No, please
Unsubscribe.
do. Yes,
Unsubscribe.
subscribe to Big Daddy New
No,
Johns if you
don't.
like games and things.
Actually, he does have some good Hollow Knight stuff.
Oh,
I'll
very
give you
good
that.
one, I think. Is that poison
But
ivy?
no, it's not poison ivy. No,
It has
it's
3
not.
leaves. Oh, that's marijuana.
What?
Wait, why does it actually look like marijuana?
No, it's
though?
not.
Yes,
Wait,
it
hang
does.
on.
Does that not look like marijuana?
I
It's a devil's
don't
lettuce
think
right
that. Okay, you're banished. No, you tried running away. You ran away with my phone while I was filming, and now you're no. Stop looking innocent.
I'm not.
No, stop looking
I'm not.
innocent. No, come
I
back.
am innocent.
No, you're not.
I am
No, you're
innocent,
not. Come
that's
back.
why.
Stop. No,
Yeah,
no,
I'm on video
no.
now.
Stop. Stop.
I'm
Stop.
on your
Stop.
video.
Stop. Come back.
Subscribe to Big Daddy New Johns.
No, come back.
Subscribe to New
Stop.
Johns. Yes.
Come back. Stop holding it like that either. It's weird.
No, it's better.
Okay. Aviation. Stop looking at the camera like that.
Like what?
And then it just like you know how you looked at
I'm
it.
not looking at it.